Biddy, it's Blazoween. Biddy. It's our favorite time of year. It's Blazoween.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers on your spine. Shrieking stars will shock your soul. Still you're doomed tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons.
Jack, please, I'm only an elected official here. I can't make decisions by myself.
Hey guys, it's Blaize. So, as you can tell by the title of this video, this is a review on the Supernatural Join the Hunt Monster Guide eyeshadow palette. If you guys have been with me, you will know that I got the Supernatural Join the Hunt palette, this one, the first one, for my 29th birthday, my birthday last year, and I absolutely love it. I've used the hell out of this, as you can see. This is a great palette and would definitely recommend. You can get both of these from Hot Topic, and they are both $14.90, but we are focusing on this one today. This is the second one they've come out with. Again, the packaging just kills it. I mean, it's just beautiful, and the names of the shadows. So these are the shadows that come in this palette. So, Biddy. All right, we're not going to judge her. It's her first day on the job. So these are the gorgeous shades that come in this palette. I only swatched a couple of them, so I will swatch them for you in this video. Again, the names of the shadows are amazing. I love it. Again, I only watched like maybe 8 or 9 episodes of Supernatural a few years back, and I just couldn't get into it, but the packaging and everything I love everything about this, and since it is Vlogoween, I wanted to do something in October, have almost every video be something Halloween or spooky related, so I thought Supernatural and eyeshadow review, why not? That is why I'm wearing my glasses right now, because ew, not wearing any eye makeup at the moment. But let's start with these swatches. So on the mirror itself, it says, vampires, we kill the ones that sparkle for free. Thank you. So let's go ahead and start swatching. Let's see, should I swatch? Yeah, we'll swatch with this one right here. So the first shade is a black shade, and it's called can you pronounce things? Jefferson Starships, which I don't know if you guys know Jefferson Starships, the band, Jefferson Airplane. I mean, okay. That's I don't know. That one's okay. Then we have the second shade, which is Vampire. Ooh. So that's nice. I like Vampire. Vampire's pretty. Then we got this glittery one that is called Vitala. Vitala? Ooh, that one's nice. That's a nice black one. Then we got Dragons, which is this glittery green shade. That one's okay, too. Wow, these swatches are like the worst. Well, they're only bad because of the positioning of my arm. They look fine this way. Should we do it this way? Yeah, I guess we'll do it this way. Then we got Rougarou, which is this just skin colored kind of tan color. Then Crowley, Mr. Crowley. I love Aleister Crowley. Some of these are all very, very soft, by the way. Then we have Skinwalker, which is this dark blue one. A little powdery and not that great, but we'll see. Then we have Ghouls, which is this silver one. That one's not that great. And the glitter in it is definitely just an overspray. Then we have Phoenix right here, which is like a magenta purple. Not magenta, like a violet purple. Then we have Dijin or Jin, I don't know. It's like a lighter blue. Then we have Werewolf, which is like a chocolate brown. Then we have Lucifer, aww, and that's just a white color right there. And then we have, what the hell does it say? Abaddon. Abaddon. Again, I told you I haven't watched the show, so that's like a lighter red. That one's not that great. So those are the swatches of all of the colors that come in this palette. So Some of them are pretty good, some of them not so much, but let's see how they perform on the eyeballs. Well, not the eyeballs, the eyelid. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's do a little bit of Rougarou and Crowley, tap into both, and use that as our crease and transition color. Tap that off, and let's go to town with Rougarou and Crowley. Do you guys know of Aleister Crowley? If you do, please let me know down in the comments, because I will love you if you guys know of Aleister Crowley. And not just like his name, but his works. So far these are nice transition colors. Not mad at it. That's actually really pretty. I like the way that came out. So now I'm just going to prime the lid with the LA Colors Jumbo Pencil in Seashells, which is just their white base, because I really want these colors to pop. And I like using this as an eye primer. This is really good. Only $1, and it's pretty much just as good as the NYX Milk, which I also have, but this is what's next to me. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just going to blend that out with our finger. Why am I saying that in third person, or like group person? I'm saying we when it's just me. I don't know, I have that problem. I've got many of those problems. I have many problems, period. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to wet my brush right here, and I'm gonna go in with Werewolf, this like dark brown shade, and I'm gonna use that on the outer part of my lid. This also comes with a brush inside of it, but it is crappy, and yeah, I'm not using that. Ooh, this is pretty. Good color payoff so far. Let's see if it blends out well. I think I'm gonna do Dragon, maybe. Will that look too Christmassy for what I'm wearing? I gotta like keep the mirror out of the space so you can see what I'm doing. I like that color. Good color payoff. Looks nice. Yeah, I'm gonna wet my brush and then go in with Dragons. It's the green shade right here. So let's go in with Dragons and put that on the rest of the lid. Okay, so there is a lot of fallout with this one. Holy crap. There is so, can you guys see this? You see that everywhere. There is so much fallout with this one. I guess because it's a glitter, maybe? I don't mind fallout as long as it wipes away nicely. I'm really hoping that this wipes away nicely. Oh, because that is a lot. But that is a pretty color. That is a really pretty color. I really like that color. Okay, yeah, that wiped away, no problem. So we are good on the fallout. That's fine. Because look at how pretty that color is. That is a beautiful, like, emerald hunter green. I'm digging it. Now I'm going to just take a little bit of Crowley and just kind of blend these two together. Give something for these two to blend together with. So we got some blending action going on. Blending is kind of taking away from the pigment of Dragons, but that's okay because we'll just put some more back on, but that is a little annoying. I hate it when shadows do that. So these do not blend out well, as you can see. Not Biddy, I feel you. Okay, so I just put a little bit more of Werewolf on the outside to darken up the outer and to get some back to what we took away. And I'm going to do the same thing with Dragons. I'm just going to take a little bit more of that and place that back there from what got taken away when we blended together. That looks nice. So they build well. They don't blend that great, but they do build well. So there's that so far. I'm going to take a little bit of Vetala, which is like that glittery looking black, and just put it on the very out part, the outer V. Just put a little bit just to darken it up, just a little bit on the outer parts. Sorry if I'm like being weird or not acting myself or not saying words properly. It's been like 4 days since I slept. I guess it's like the change in season, but yeah, it's been rough. So excuse my strange behavior, but I too am strange and unusual. Or Biddy, I swear to God, you're about to get fired. Same Biddy. Hashtag same. Okay, I am not mad at this eyelid look at the moment. Looks a little army, like camo, and I look a little Christmassy with the green and the red going on. I did not plan that, but I don't know. So I'm gonna go and do some liner and put in my waterline liner, and then we will come back to this. And we are back. Oh, my brushes just fell over. Thank you, brushes. So let's see, what are we gonna do? Let's do, I'm feeling adventurous. Let's do a little bit of vampire on the lower lash. We are going to do some lower lash color. Oh, this is really gonna be Christmassy. I didn't even think of that before the brush. It was too late. The brush had already hit me. Well, this is coming out like not too red. It's kind of like a maroon burgundy kind of color. So it's not too Christmassy. Help me. All right, that looks cute. And I think we're gonna just finish it up with a brow bone. We're just gonna do a little bit of Lucifer on the brow bone because Lucifer is bae. Just popped on some mascara off camera. This is the Maybelline Colossal Spider Effect Mascara, one of my favorite mascaras of all time. But this is the completed look. Overall, I really enjoy this palette. I really enjoy this look. It's definitely different for me. I don't usually go with looks like this, but I really liked this palette. There is definitely some fallout with the glittery shades, and a lot of the glitter is just overspray. The shadows, some of them perform well. They don't blend that great, but overall I'm going to give this palette 4 Wicked Little Devils out of 5. Just because I'd like to see a little bit more from this. The first one is 5 Wicked Little Devils. I absolutely love it. This one's great too, and I would definitely recommend it. It's only 15 bucks, and aesthetically it is great, and you get great pan sizes, and if you work with them, the shadows are actually pretty damn good. So would I recommend this? Yes. I have a few different palettes from Hot Topic. If you guys would like me to review them, because I haven't used like any of them. So if you guys want me to do like a Hot Topic makeup series where I try on Hot Topic makeup, give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments, because that can be a new series we do where I just test out Hot Topic makeup. So this again gets 4 Wicked Little Devils. Really enjoyed this, but there is some things they could have improved on, but again, the names I love. Just everything about this I love. And if you're a Supernatural fan, this is great to add to your collection. If you are a makeup fan, great to add to your collection. So yes, I would recommend this. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I am so excited that it is Vlogoween, that it is Blaizoween. This is my favorite time of year. So I hope you guys are enjoying it so far, and let me know down in the comments what you guys have been doing so far for October. And don't forget to go down below and hit the subscribe button and subscribe right now for free monthly beauty giveaways. This month I am giving away a Halloween inspired eyeshadow palette, so I will link that up in the cards and down below as always. So free monthly beauty giveaways, why not subscribe? So I will talk to you guys very soon. Until next time, my wicked ones, stay wicked.